Making a bar graph on Excel is actually fairly simple. We have a data table here that shows sample spots along a river and then the corresponding dissolved oxygen concentration. To turn this data into a bar graph, what we're going to do first is highlight only the numbers that we want to show as bars in the bar graph. And then up at the top of the screen, you're going to click on the tab that says Insert. In the middle, there's this section that says Charts. The bar graph on Excel is known as a column graph. So you click on that, and then you pick the first option. And at this point, it has a space to put in the title, but it doesn't have axes labels. So let's put axes labels in there. To do that, you go to Add Chart Element. This is under the Chart Design tab. Add Chart Element, Axis Titles, Horizontal, and we also want a vertical one. So at this point, we have these boxes that we can type our labels into. So for the chart title, when you have a bar graph, you want it to be descriptive. So what this is showing is dissolved oxygen concentrations along the river. Notice how the the letters at the beginning of each word are capitalized in the title of a graph. And then for the x-axis, what this is showing is the sample spots. So double clicking. And then on the y-axis, what we have is we have two things. We have the measurement, which is dissolved oxygen. And then we also have to put in the units because there's many ways to measure concentration. In this case, it's parts per million. So again, when you label an axis, you have to put in the measurement as well as the unit in parentheses after it. In terms of the overall look of the graph, the title is probably a little bit big. So we can make the text smaller by clicking on Home and then clicking on Decrease Font Size. That looks good at that point. After this bar graph is ready to be copied and pasted into another document.